Alright, this is a repairability test for Mike and Pat Stokes here at 611 Beth Road. Now we've got, I think it's like 12 instances of wind damage on this roof. And there's a few spots, you'll see this in one of the reports, where they attempted repairs on the back and it created more damage. So I was going to give a demonstration that using proper technique, doing a repair test, is just going to create more damage to the roof if we repair this. So we've got a wind damage shingle right here, and it's connected to this slope. I would hate to risk a leak in this area. This is a high risk spot, so I'm doing my test here on the slope. All right, I'll start right here. All right, break that. We got to get the above shingles. And we're removing this shingle. So there we go. And we've got to go one above this. And this video is going to end here in about 30 seconds, and I'll just start a new one. They have a 3-minute limit, unfortunately. Alright, that should be all the nails required for this one. Oh, one more. Here. That might be a hit. I don't know. All right. Missed that nail. Alright, this one should be loose. Should I find it? I may have gone a little too far with the nail removal on that side. Ah, what is it? They nailed it twice. There we go. Finally got it. All right, now we're going to put it back, and that's going to act as our repair test. Now we're going to be putting the shingle back. Oh, before we put that back, this tar here on this lower shingle, this is tar from the, or mat transfer from the top shingle, it looks like. Look at all of this. I don't know if you can see that or not. Lined up. Let's get the hammer. These nails up here. Hold on 1 second. I believe these nails are in the wrong spot. So our video stopped again. Let's get some overviews of the repairability of this roof. You'll see these shingles all through these areas. This was not here before the test. Repair test. There's a line. Here. Of course, I showed you these already. And, I mean, doing this, even more granules come off, so this is only going to worsen through the weeks ahead. Now, given this is the condition of the roof, I don't know what to do in this spot, because we'll have to tear into these ridge cap shingles, which are also old. We'll have to tear into even more of these slope shingles. And if we have to replace the whole slope, then we'll have to overlap the felt over each hip. So we'll have to cut into this slope. And we'll have to go into this slope over here, over the hips. So I believe that may go into the other hip. But anyways, I just wanted to get some advice on how we should move forward on this, given we cannot repair these shingles without causing further damage.